Whew. Another hot one in Sydney. So I've left my run a little bit late tonight. It's like 6 p.m. or even after. It's just about, the heavens are just about to open up, and I need to record this video, edit this video, and then get it up onto YouTube for you guys. So I thought I'd do a very small just study of light. Let's just do that. Let's just do small and just see what happens on the page in terms of quite monochromatic, and yeah, we'll see how we go. I'll just use probably 1 and 2 inch Hake, but all the brushes, all the paper paints will be in the description. And if you want to learn really to understand watercolour medium really in depth, then join me on Patreon. There's courses on there and weekly videos that are not on YouTube to help you really gain a really deep understanding. All right guys, let's get started. We'll wet the page as per usual. Use my spray bottle. I could just go out there and stand in the rain actually. That'd be good. I haven't even mixed my paints, but you know, it's okay. Let's just get a little bit of this Winsor Red and we'll just bring this in here. We'll rinse that out. So it's a 2 inch Hake brush. Just bring that in there and flick it out, and then we're going to bring in a bit of a dark. Get this dark mix of Winsor Blue Red Shade Light Red, and we'll just bring it in here. Beautiful. Get some tissues, clean up the edges here. I'll just, where's my brush? I'll just get rid of this bit of red here. I don't mind a bit of colour up there, but now I'm going to get this and just tilt and spray out. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'll just mop up this bit of water. So let's darken this even more up here. Get a little bit more colour and bring it in again. Wash out a little bit here. Now let's choose where we want a little bit of light. I want some light right here, so I'm just, sorry if you guys can't see. I want some light right here. So I'm just going to spray out here. All right, let's dry this. So I've dried it a bit, but I'm going to just spray out a bit more. So I'm just going to get a bit more of a light here. So let's just spray out. All right, let's try again. Okay, let's put a bit more dark over the top here. Spray it a bit, just to soften the edges. We'll spray a bit. Let's dry again. All right, let's just quickly spray out a tiny bit at the top here. Just a bit. We'll dry. Alright, we'll bring in some land. Let's just strengthen a tiny bit at the top here. Just give it a bit darker there. And then just help it a bit down. Bit more strength there. And we'll just put some trees up in here, just get a rigger. Right, let's quickly just dry this. It's always good to just put a mount around it, even if it doesn't fit it exactly. And I can stand back and have a bit of a look. So you guys might not like what I'm about to do, but I think what I'm going to do is just take this all out. So I'm just going to I'm quickly going to dry this. I'm just going to have a look. So I'm liking this more, definitely, from my point of view. What I'm going to do is just bring in lift out a little bit of a light here with a flat nylon. Get a nice, clean, dry tissue or two. Wipe that out, wipe that out. It doesn't have to be super bright, I don't think. Beautiful, I'll just dry this. So thanks guys, I hope you can hear me above the rain. It's pretty heavy out there. So I hope you enjoyed this quick watercolour tonight. What I really love is the light versus the dark. There's quite a few layers of watercolour here to get that dark enough. And then same here. I really love that this is the subject, not the trees. It's not an obvious subject, but this ridge line is now the subject. And then these trees and this light here are a secondary subject. And I think on the whole that is a gorgeous little watercolour now. I really love it. I'm going to sign it down the bottom here, and I like it actually with less land down the bottom here. So this is taking a bit off it, and I like it better like this than with this amount of land here. So that's what's good to do too sometimes, move your mount around and see what looks good. So yeah, I like this. Thanks for joining me tonight. If you really like this video, or even liked it a little bit, if you could press like, the thumbs up, that would be great. If you want to know about future videos, press the subscribe button, press the bell button. And if you want some more help with your watercolours, then join me on Patreon. I'd love to see you there. There's courses there and weekly videos going up there all the time. And even though I'm a little bit behind, every 20 patrons that join, I give away a painting. So I'm a little bit behind with that at the moment, but I have done that since I started. So thanks guys, and I'll see you next week. Good night.